Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Oral Gist Tech. Today's topic is how to access the dark web. But before we begin, let me make this very clear. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. The goal here is to educate and protect you, so you know the kind of tools scammers and cybercriminals use to steal identities, break into systems, and scam innocent people. Do not use this information to harm anyone. Instead, be guided, be safe, and stay alert. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, so others can be aware and protected too. When you hear dark web, you might picture hackers in hoodies or shady online marketplaces. But that's just a small part of it. The dark web is simply a hidden layer of the internet. It doesn't show up in Google searches and can't be accessed with regular browsers. And while many people are curious about it, most don't know how to explore it safely. In this video, I'll walk you through how to access the dark web securely and share tips on protecting your privacy along the way. What is the dark web? Let's start with the basics. The internet has 3 layers. Surface web. This includes everything you can search on Google, sites like Instagram, YouTube, and Reddit. Deep web. These are pages behind logins, your Gmail inbox, cloud storage, academic databases, and more. Dark web. A hidden part of the internet that uses different domain structures, not .com, and requires special tools to access, primarily the Tor browser. Contrary to popular belief, the dark web isn't entirely illegal. Like the surface web, it depends on how and where you navigate. How to access the dark web. To explore the dark web, you'll need to connect to the Tor network, a system designed for privacy and anonymity. Step 1. Download and install the Tor browser. Open your regular browser, Chrome, Firefox, etc., and go to https://www.torproject.org/download. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, and download the installer. Run the file, follow the setup steps, language, install location, and install the browser. Step 2. Connect to the Tor network. Launch the Tor browser. On the first run, you'll be prompted to connect. In most cases, click Connect, and it will establish a private circuit. If you're in countries where Tor is blocked, like China or Iran, click Configure and set up a bridge connection. Step 3. Verify Tor is working in the Tor browser. Visit https://check.torproject.org. If it says you're connected to the Tor network, you're good to go. Now your browsing is encrypted and anonymous, perfect for basic research or reading Onion forums. But there's more to consider. Important privacy warning: even though Tor hides your internet traffic, your operating system can still leak data, metadata, cached files, logs, and more. These can be traced back to you. If anonymity is your top priority, it's best to go beyond Tor browser and use a privacy-focused OS like Tails. What is Tails OS? Tails is a live operating system you run from a USB stick. It routes all activity through Tor and leaves no trace on your computer. Even if the machine is infected with malware, Tails keeps your session isolated and secure. Installing Tails. 1. Visit https://tails.net. 2. Click Install Tails and follow the step-by-step guide. 3. Download the image file. 4. Use a tool like Balena Etcher from https://balena.io/etcher to flash the Tails image to your USB stick. Note, this will erase all data on the USB drive. Booting Tails. Shut down your PC. Plug in the USB. Enter the boot menu during startup. Common keys: F12, F9, Escape, or Del. Select the USB drive and boot into Tails. Once loaded, choose Start Tails and connect to the Tor network. Now you're operating in a fully anonymous, privacy-hardened environment. Everything resets when you shut down. Boosting security in the Tor browser. Even with Tails, it's wise to harden the Tor browser settings. Click the shield icon in the browser. Go to Security Settings and choose from Standard Safer, recommended for most users. Safest disables many scripts and features, but offers the highest protection. Choose Safer for extra protection without breaking most sites. For risky activity, Safest is your best bet. How to find onion sites unlike regular websites. Onion sites aren't indexed by search engines like Google, but there are a few safe ways to find them. Omia, https://HIFI, a Tor-friendly search engine that filters out illegal content. r/onions on Reddit, a community sharing known and trusted .onion links. Important, be cautious with links. Lookalikes and phishing clones are common. Never use your real name, email, or log into personal accounts. Avoid downloading files unless absolutely trusted. Final thoughts: now you're equipped to safely and anonymously browse the dark web. Remember, the dark web itself isn't illegal. It's how you use it that matters. Stay private, stay alert, use this knowledge responsibly. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.